Hey everybody, welcome to the channel and day 3 of the septic job. So the crew from M&M is going to cut out this old pipe, and they need to make sure what's going on with that Y. We think it's probably just capped off, and then they're going to cut all this out, put new pipe in, and then Maggie and I will help backfill it and get the yard all put back together and put the dog fence back up. So that way Bill and Pat will be ready to go.
Like white plastic.
Sounds like a cat.
Oh yeah, it's coming right out. And there's a cap. Yeah, you called it. You passed the test.
Okay, now we all run that camera up through there. Yeah. That's the plan, Steve.
Yeah, that was 2 flushes, and then they dumped like a gallon bucket of water down its field.
So at this point, they still don't think that's running as good as it should. So they go ahead and snake that out just to make sure that these pipes are as clean as they can be before we put this back together.
You might go in there in that first bathroom and listen, make sure we don't hear any noises in the bottom of it. If it is, we're going the wrong direction.
That's it. There we go.
That looks a lot better.
Yeah, you can tell it was flush that time.
Yeah. I don't think we need to run that camera in, do you? I mean, we'll go ahead and run in there, I guess. That's a lot better there.
Yeah, yeah, that looks like a toilet should have been flushed instead of like, no, I don't know about that other. Everybody's all about the environment and those low flush toilets, but honestly it makes all the plumbing tougher.
Yeah.
So the plan at this point, we're gonna put a clean out right here, put all new pipe that flows downhill here to the tank, go into the tank, and it should be a job. Luckily most of that's dug out already, but it's gonna take some hand digging to make it right. And there's the mystery Y, and it was just capped off at the end. So I bet the original thought on that was it was going to go to a clean out, and it just never happened.
What's going to take to put it up.
I don't know if that's from original depositors or if that's from searchers.
They got duct tape on that too? Looks like it.
There was duct tape on every one of these fittings. I kind of, I'm not going to mess with it because I don't want to touch the stuff too much, but it'd be interesting to see if there's glue on these fittings or they just use duct tape.
But you might not want to know.
Yeah, that's probably true. You're probably exactly right.
I'll cut it off.
So they've got everything in at this point, and they went ahead and backfilled that in to make sure they had plenty of fill underneath that pipe. And then they went ahead and covered the pipe completely, and then we just are going to do the little backfill to clean it up. Those rebar supports they've got were really cool.
So they're going to caulk that joint, backfill this in, and then it'll be up to Maggie and I to put the fence back in and whatever touch up we need to do to make us back to right. So probably take a power washer and power wash off all these horse mats. All right, well, M&M is finished and they did a great job, and they actually buried the pipe and got it set in place. And now I'm going to take the 1025R and just try and smush this around and cover the septic tank up again and go ahead and completely bury the pipe. And then we'll get ready to start putting his yard back together. So the excavator won't fit in this area very well, so I'm going to try out the 1025R and see how I can do with it.
I think it did. I think it only hit the bottle.
This ain't the first time this bottle's been knocked off.
Yeah, it's not
Okay,
the...
I did it with the same tractor he just did it with.
Well, shit happens.
I was wondering if there was a reason you didn't park under here.
Well, I got 2 or 3 things. I made it to the barn,
Yeah?
and I made it back, and I'm tickled to death. Oh, and the toilet,
It's working
Great.
perfectly?
it did for me.
Sweet!
That's all that.
That's all that counts. All right, let me see. Go here.
right, I think we're where we can get with a tractor, but I got that pile out of there, and that was the main thing I was wanting to do. And again, because of this roof, I can't really sweep real good with the mini excavator, but I think what I'll do is get it out of the dog yard now and put the big bucket back on it, and then start leveling this stuff back out and sweeping it out. And you can see we've got, everything's covered now, but I won't run over that pipe, but I need to get all this out away from the fence, and I'll probably have some hand raking in this, as much as I hate that. All right, well, we could probably use a little coat of gravel on this, but we've got it pretty well smoothed out. We've got everything buried, and the toilets work, so that's a win. Last thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna take a pressure washer and wash all those walkways, and they use horse mats as kind of sidewalks, and right now there's mud pretty much coating those, so I'm gonna power wash that, and then this will be a wrap. All right, well, that septic job's done, and it only took 3 days to diagnose, figure out, and fix the problem, and then a half day probably to clean up. Thanks, Maggie.
You're welcome.
So again, this is Maggie's mom and dad's house, and so we wanted to make sure we got all that mud off the walkway so they don't track anything in. And you know, on a septic job, whenever you find mud, could be 50-50.
It's not always mud.
Exactly. So if you got anything out of this content, give us a thumbs up. We definitely appreciate it and helps the channel. And we invite you to subscribe to see more. Have a great day and be safe.